In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve the recovery phase from your Phantom wallet. Let's dive right in. First, you'll begin by opening the Phantom app or accessing it through your browser, depending on your preference. Once you have Phantom open, the most important step is to make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to access the settings needed to view your recovery phase. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Phantom wallet. Here, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will lead you to further options and settings that are essential for managing your account. Next, look for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a menu where you can manage all aspects of your Phantom account. It might seem like a lot of options at first, but don't worry. It's straightforward once you know where to go. From the Settings menu, you need to find and click on Manage Accounts. This section is specifically for handling the different accounts linked to your wallet and is also where you can find your recovery phase. After clicking on Manage Accounts, locate your specific account from the list that appears. Clicking on your account will provide more detailed options, including those related to security and recovery. Now, look for the Show Secret Phrase option. This is the step where security becomes a priority. Before you can see your recovery phase, you'll be required to enter your password. This serves as an important security measure to ensure that your sensitive information is protected. While entering your password, make sure you do so in a private setting where no one can watch over your shoulder. Guarding your recovery phase is crucial as it gives you access to your wallet. Remember, your recovery phrase should remain a secret. Only you should have the knowledge of it. After you enter your password correctly, your recovery